back finally working on this old piece of crap fox body again. Taking the motor apart so I can get the block to the machine shop. Where I can get it machined for my, what is it? 347 stroker kit. Yeah. Well, I got the head gasket off and the cylinder's full of water, which I knew it filled these two up. But I don't know where the gasket actually failed at. Doesn't look like it broke the rings anywhere, unless it went underneath in between the layer. I took it off and looked at the other side, and maybe I shouldn't have sprayed copper coat on it.